Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Nadialyngdoh and today I'm going to be taking you through a productive week in my life and I have a lot to catch up on. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into a video. This video is coming out a little later than intended. So my goal for today is to complete 2 maths lectures, cover a few topics in GK and get some practice done. I know exam is a stressful time, so I'm sending you guys all my love and the productivity vibes. In this video, I'm gonna do some grocery shopping, so without further ado, let's get into a video. Good morning guys, there are officially less than 3 weeks left until my exam and I'm starting to feel the pressure, so I want to get a few solid hours of studying in today. So I decided to stay home for the rest of the day and I just reminding myself that we can all do hard things. There is no benefit of adding mountains of pressure on yourself. The only thing that you can do is use your times wisely, surround yourself with supportive people, ask for help, no matter how embarrassed it makes you feel. It's not embarrassing, and just try your best, and with that, happy studying. And guess what? I am now on Instagram. You can follow Shillong Connect for exciting updates and content. Following my number 1 study tip, which is to just practice previous exam. So I've changed my game plan. My new game plan is to just do practice exam because there's no way that I can just learn everything immediately right now. I've got something special for you. If anyone needs current affair 2024 covering every month from January to December, so this is the perfect resource for you. You'll find super helpful. all in one for just 99 rupees. Feel free to message me if you are interested. Also, the number is in the description below. Also, I started my WhatsApp channel just a month ago and you are welcome to join. Just click the link in the description. On this channel, you will find of all notification updates related to exam, like result, date, admit card, and much more. So I try not to make a habit of studying in bed, but it is the only comfortable spot that I want to do maths in. Okay, the number one question I get in my study vlog is how I stay focused for so long and how am I so motivated, what's motivating me, and honestly I haven't relied on motivation to get my work done in a very long time. It's all self-discipline and allotting time to each day to practice self-discipline and to get my work done. So we are all motivated by something to study or to learn, but you've probably noticed that feelings come and goes, or there is just day where you want to be lazy, and well, that's fine. You need to differentiate that from procrastination, and if you are procrastinating, you just need to prioritize your self-discipline and really work at building that healthy habit. And yeah, that is my answer to that question.